Hello everyone, this time let's take a look at the sample code given in this document. The first part of the sample code is for task 1. In the task 1, you need to write your own code to calculate these ranking functions here. And in this function, it contains different things, and you need to write your own code to generate it. But don't worry, let's take a look at the sample code, and you basically need to copy and paste the sample code and modify a little bit so that you can generate this function by yourself easily. And in the sample code, first of all, you need to import the index here, and then the code below this part is for generated processed query terms. You get a query term, and you need to use a query parser to parse the query, and then you need to normalize the query by extracting each query terms, and just need to follow this code here, and you can generate a processed query. After that, this function is used to generate the document frequency using the doc frequency function here. And here, this is a little bit complicated, but you just need to use this code here to generate the document length and the term frequency. You need to initialize a classic similarity object and get the segments of all the index by count all the leaf read content in your index. And then this part of the code is for document length generation, and you need to put it into a normalized length and get the length of the document given this query here, given this code here. And in the end, given a term like police, and you need to calculate the term frequency as well. Here, you just iterate all the related documents and then count each document terms here and sum up them together to generate the term frequency. And this code can be used for task 1. And here we introduce another part of the skeleton code which can be used for the retrieve models embedded in the Lucene. Here also need to, first of all, read the index and then initialize the index searcher here. And then this part you can change the different models. First, for example, here we use BM25, and you can also choose the vector space model. It's in the function here. You just change this part. You can try different models. And for analyzer, you just need to use standard analyzer. Also, you need to pass your query here. Get your passed query and use this function to search the query in the index and retrieve the top 1000 here. And the array or docs documents, you can just use this part of code to simply print out all the top 1000 documents here. And hope this part can be helpful to you in your code.